face and lips that I miss. Those sweet little lies that stares at me and make me stay. I'm with you through all the way. Give me hope, the strength that will take it on. No one else can make me feel this way. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break his heart and tear it apart. 'Cause suddenly the madness on. It's your smile, your face and lips that I missed. Those sweet little lies that stares at me and make me stay. I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. Change yourself within you see. When I know I've got you with me. I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. Change yourself within you see. When I know I've got you with me.
Standing ovation ang mga audience!
Oh, may naiyak pa.
Ganda ng boses mo.
Maraming salamat po.
Karapat-dapat yung kinanta mo dito.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
You felt your song. You told the story. And I love it.
Kanina mo dinededicate yung kanta mo.
Sa asawa!
Sa wife po. Syempre. Actually, yung wife ko po, she's my common law wife po.
Andito!
We've been together as musician po since 2010. Kami pong dalawa lagi po magkasama as duo po. So,
Kumakanta rin
Can we-
Kumakanta rin yung asawa. Nasa yung asawa mo? Sample! Sample! Sample!
Ano pong pangalan nila?
Shine po.
Shine!
kaso may, yung boss niya po kasi is napaos na po talaga nitong recently po. Naglalaylo po siya kumanta.
So kaya ikaw muna yung nag-solo?
Opo.
Hindi, siguro, miss ka na pause ng konti.
Yeah.
Paunlakan mo kami.
Sige. Saan part yun? Heto tayo sa muli palagi. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin nais kong malaman iyon ko.
Palagi.
Thank you po.
Standing ovation! Standing ovation! Ang galing!
I'll give you a standing ovation.
Magaling si Owen talaga. Given na yun.